In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select photos effectively in your photo library or album. Whether you're organizing your photos or preparing to move or delete a batch of pictures, these selection tips will save you time and make the process much easier. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about selecting a sequence of photos. This is particularly useful if you're looking to manage a continuous range of images, say from a family gathering or a vacation trip. Begin by clicking on the first photo to start your selection. Then, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click on the last photo in the group that you want to include. This action selects all the photos located between the first and last photos you clicked on, creating a nice, neat selection of sequential images for you to work with. Next, there are times when you want to select photos that aren't located right next to each other. This is called selecting non-adjacent photos, and it comes in handy when you need to handpick specific photos from different points in your folder or album. To do this, hold down the Ctrl key if you're using Windows or the CMD key if you're on a Mac. Then, simply click on each photo you want to include one by one. This process allows you to build a selection of photos that may be scattered across your photo library. Now, let's move on to a super quick way to grab all photos currently in view. This is perfect when you need to make changes or apply actions to every single photo displayed on your screen. On a Windows computer, you just need to press Ctrl+A. For those of you on a Mac, CMD+A will do the trick. This command will swiftly highlight all photos that are currently visible, giving you control over every single image with ease. Finally, there are instances when you might want to clear your selection, perhaps after realizing you've selected the wrong set of images, or if you simply want to start over. No worries. Deselecting all photos is as straightforward as selecting them. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl+D, and if you're using a Mac, hit CMD+D. This will instantly deselect all photos, allowing you to take a fresh approach to your selection. These tips and shortcuts are simple yet powerful tools in managing your photos efficiently. Whether you're dealing with a few personal snapshots or an extensive professional portfolio, knowing these selection techniques enhances your organizational prowess, making photo management a breeze. Feel free to pause the video and try out these tips as you go along. Thanks for tuning in to today's session, and happy organizing.